How to see recently watched videos on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily watch your recently watched videos on YouTube. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you are logged into your account on your YouTube. So now simply select this profile icon at the bottom right corner and you should automatically see the section called history. To see all of the videos you can basically click on this view all button over here and you should be able to see all of the history of your videos that you have already watched on YouTube. So if you have also selected liked videos, then you can also come over to this liked videos section and see the videos which you have watched previously and also liked as well. And you can also click on this watch later section if you have selected any videos to like this to saving it to watch later, and you can also view it from over here as well. So once you do all of that, you can easily able to view all of your watch history on your YouTube. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.